I see a cow. What does the cow say?
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo, cow.
Moo, moo, moo.
Tom and Dana love the big cow. I see a duck. What does the duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, duck.
Quack, quack, quack.
Tom and Dana love the yellow duck. Moo, moo, moo. Quack, quack, quack. On the farm we learn and play. I see a sheep.
Moo, moo, moo.
What does the sheep say?
Bye, bye, sheep.
Tom and Dana love the white sheep. I see a pig. What does the pig say?
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, pig.
Oink, oink, oink.
Tom and Dana love the pink pig. Animals on the farm, making a sound: cow, duck, sheep, and pig. Moo, quack, baa, and oink. Learning is fun for you and me. Tom and Dana wave and say, see you on another learning day.